Ooh, I'm going to say a bad word this morning. Cellulite.
Yeah.
You know what? We just don't like to talk about it. We try to hide it as much as possible, but that gets pretty tough after a while. Well, we're learning about a non-invasive procedure that actually will make it go away. Marlena Kruger, owner of Body Beautiful Day Spa, has details on this latest technology to combat those cottage cheese thighs that we all have, no matter how fit you are.
No matter how fit you are. We all have that little extra fat deposits or little cellulite somewhere we all want to get rid of. And this is actually a great alternative to any kind of a liposuction, or it's just a nice mild to moderate result from not anybody that's overweight. It's not a fat loss.
Okay.
But what it is, it's a new device, radio frequency, and it's called...
What's it called?
TiteFx.
TiteFx.
Yes,
okay.
it's by a company called Invasix.
Okay.
And it is really terrific because what it does is three different things. It's one step beyond what everything has been out there so far. So this one actually takes radio frequency heat along with suction and also high energy pulses that break through the fat barrier, kind of helps melt the fat.
Okay.
And then your body just automatically transfers it out like it does normally. You're just through natural processes, it just eliminates it.
So we're seeing a photo of, this is the actual machine, the TiteFx
Right, that's a
machine.
handpiece, exactly.
So what do you feel? Is it warm? Is it?
It's warm, and then after you get to a certain temperature, the handpiece has a temperature reading right on it, which is very safe, so it can't go over a certain temperature. And then you're going to get a high energy pulse, which actually breaks through that fat barrier,
Okay.
but doesn't harm anything else, just breaks down the fat. It cannot survive at that high temperature.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's the temperature that's...
The temperature that works,
I
right.
see, I see. So tell me about the areas that you treat and how long is a treatment?
The treatment's anywhere from half an hour to 45 minutes.
Okay.
Your first time in, of course, we're going to have to go over a consultation and tell you what to expect. 6 to 8 treatments is best,
Okay.
and you're going to see your best results 2 to 3 months after, because you're still eliminating that fat deposit through your own system. So it's very minimal discomfort, and nothing invasive about it.
Yeah,
so
you're not penetrating the skin. There's
Right.
there's no incision.
No incisions or no
Okay.
cuts or anything like that.
Okay.
So it will just eventually leave the body on its own.
I see. All right. Well, let's take a look at a before and after picture because this is pretty. I mean, I know there's not one single woman out there right now who isn't looking at that before going, oh yeah, I know what she's talking about.
Right.
So you say 6 to 8 treatments, and it's the texture of the skin.
The texture, exactly.
That's changing.
Right. And there really hasn't been a machine out there that would do this other than some sort of a surgery going underneath the skin. So
Right.
up until this point.
Right, exactly. And boy, the before picture on the left, that's pretty serious cellulite there.
Yes, it is,
Yeah.
right. So fat and cellulite is really what it targets after. And what's nice about radio frequency, everybody, in case you don't know, it's not laser, so it's good for all skin types. Any ethnic skin as well, we can use on all skin types.
So there is no downtime with
No
this?
downtime. They'll walk out at lunchtime, they can have this done and go right back to work.
Go on about your day afterwards.
Go on about your day, right.
Okay, and it's called TiteFx.
FX.
All right. Well, thank you very much, Marlena. You're always bringing the latest stuff.
The newest
it's
stuff,
always,
right.
Yes, it's very interesting. And as always, Marlena has brought along a special offer for our Sonoran Living Live viewers. Your first TiteFx treatment is $299. That's a savings of 25% for our viewers. You can find Body Beautiful Day and Medical Spa at 4449 North 24th Street. That's in Phoenix. Or you can give them a call and book that appointment at 602-522-9222 or visit them online at bodybeautifulspa.net.